Dear students, today we will practice some questions on electricity. So first question is find the EMF E of the given network, and the network is this is 1.5 ohm resistance. There is EMF E. Here is 3 ohm resistor. Here is 2 ohm resistor. Here is 2 ohm resistor. Here is 1 ohm resistor. This is also 1 ohm resistor. Here the current is 1 ampere. So we have to find the value of this EMF E. So the given circuit is, here an EMF E is applied, which we have to calculate. This resistance is 1.5 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So as we see, this 1 and this 1 ohm resistors, that means if suppose I say it is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4, this is R5 and R6. So R5 and R6 are in series. These two are in series. So R56 will become R5 plus R6, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2 ohm. Now the equivalent circuit will become, this will be 2 ohm and this will be 2 ohm. Since here these two are in parallel and here is 1 ampere current passing through, so definitely there also the 1 ampere current has to pass through it. This is 2 ohm and here it is again 3 ohm and this is 1.5 ohm and this is E. So now the equivalent circuit has become like this. Now as we see, these two are in parallel. So R56 and R4 are in parallel. Therefore, R parallel will be equal to value divided by number. That is 2 divided by 2, that is 1 ohm. When they are in parallel, so product upon sum bhi kar sakte hain. This is product is twice 2 into 2, 4 divided by the sum is 4, that is 1 ohm. And now the equivalent circuit will become 1.5 ohm. This will be 2 ohm and here we'll have 1 ohm and this is 3 ohm. So this will be the next circuit. Since this is 1 ampere, this is 1 ampere, so here it will be 2 ampere. So that means here it is 2 ampere current. Now this is R parallel and this is R3. So R3 and R parallel are in series. So this will be RS. So RS will be equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3 ohm. Now the equivalent circuit becomes 1.5 ohm. This is 3 ohm and then these two also will become 3 ohm and here the current is 2 ampere So definitely the current here will also be 2 ampere. So net current will be here 4 ampere. Now this is R2. R2 and R parallel, that this is suppose the net, these R2 and this series are in series. This is in, these two are in series, so then R series is this. So these two are in parallel. So R2 and R series are in parallel. Therefore, R parallel dash I can say becomes product upon sum, that is again 3 by 2, that is, or value divided by 2 number, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5 ohm. That means this equivalent resistance or equivalent circuit will become 1.5, and here also 1.5 ohm, and this will be the E, and the current is 4 ampere. So therefore net R equivalent will become 1.5, they are in series, 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3 ohm, and so this E becomes I into R, that I is here 4 ampere and R is equal to 3, that is equal to 12 volt. So the answer is 12 volt. So एक बार once again you just, I'll try to explain it. So this is the circuit where EMF is E. This R1 is 1.5 ohm. This R2 is 3 ohm. This R3 is 2 ohm. This R4 is 2 ohm. This R5 is 1 ohm, through which 1 ampere current is passing through, and this R6 is again 1 ohm. Since R5 and R6 are in series, therefore the R56 will become 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ohm, and the equivalent circuit will become 2 here and 2, and rest of the circuit will remain as it is. Since these two are in parallel, therefore that means R56 and R4 are in parallel. This is R4. So they are in parallel, therefore R parallel will become product upon sum, or you can say if they are identical, so the value divided by the number. So value is 2 and there are 2, therefore it is 2, that is 1 ohm. Now the equivalent circuit will become this as it is, this 3 ohm remain as it is, this is 2 ohm, and these two will combine to 1 ohm. Now this and this R3 and R parallel will become the in series. So R3 and parallel are in series, then R series will become 2 plus 1, that is 3, and the equivalent circuit will become like this. So this is 1.5 ohm, this is R2 is 3 ohm, and this 2 and 1 will become 3 ohm. Whereas this is parallel, so whatever current is passing through this, the same current will pass through this, because the potential in parallel remains same and the value of the two resistors is also same, so the current has to be same. So here is 1 ampere and here 1 ampere, therefore there will be 2 ampere. So similar thing will happens here. This is 3 ohm here, so 2 ampere current is passing through this. So that it is definite that 2 ampere current will also pass through it, because the resistances are equal and the potential difference is also same. Now these two resistors R2 and R series are in parallel, therefore the R parallel, sum of this will be R parallel dash I say. So that will be again same way, value divided by the number, because they are identical. So 3 by 2, that is 1.5 ohm, and the equivalent circuit will become like this. So this way the R equivalent, the net will become how much? This circuit will become finally 3 ohm, and here the current will be 4 ampere, and here will be the E. So these two will add up because they are in series, 3 ohm, and the final circuit will become this 4 ampere and 3 ohm. So net E will be equal to I into R. If this is the I and this is the R, so I into R, that is 4 into 3, that is 12 volt. So the answer is 12 volt. In given circuit, find equivalent resistance and current through each resistor. Here the voltage is 10 volt. The value of R1 is 3 ohm, R2 is 4 ohm, R3 is 8 ohm, R4 is 4 ohm, and R5 is also 4 ohm. So here we have these all points same, and this point again same. So these two R4 and R5, R2 and R5 are in series. That means RS will become R4 plus R5. These two are in series, so the sum of these two will be the R series. That is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 ohm. And now the equivalent circuit will become this is 8 ohm, this is 8 ohm, and this is 4 ohm, and here again we have 3 ohm, and here it is 10 volt. So this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and this is R series. Now these 2 points, since these 2 points are already same point and this is same, so that means these 3 are in parallel. Now R2, R3 and R series are in parallel. Therefore 1 by Rp will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. 1 by this R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by Rs. So that will become 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 by 8, that is equal to 2. 1 by 2, that means R parallel is 2 ohm. And now equivalent circuit will become 3 ohm, that is R1, and here we will have simply 2 ohm, that is R parallel, and this is 10 volt. Now R1 and R parallel are in series, therefore R series or R equivalent will become 3 plus 2, that is 5 ohm. So the current through this I, suppose it is I, so current, I will say I1, so this will be I1. So I1 will be equal to V by R equivalent, that is 10 divided by 5, that is 2 ampere. Therefore for finding current, this is suppose I2, this is suppose I3, this is suppose I4, and I5 will remain same, I4 same. So for that we need the voltage across these 2 points. So the voltage across these 2 points will be same as that of the potential. This will be equal to this plus this. That means this voltage will be equal to this minus this. So that I say if A and B 2 points, so VAV will be equal to 10 minus V1, that is 10 minus I1 R1, that is equal to 10 minus 2 into 3, that is 6, 10 minus 6, that is 4 volt. Therefore, current I2 will be equal to VAB upon R2, that is 4 divided by 4, that is 1 ampere. I3 will be this VAB divided by R3, that is VAB divided by R3, that is equal to 4 by 8, that is 0.5 ampere. And similarly this I4 will be VAB divided by R series, not R4, the sum of these two. So that will be equals to 4 by 8 again, that is 0.5 ampere. And now you can check here, see this I1, according to Kirchhoff's law, I equals to I2 plus I3 plus I4, and that is absolutely true, that is 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, that is 2 ampere. So that means the answer you can check this way also. So here we have current through R1 is 2 ampere, through R2 is 1 ampere, through R3 is 0.5 ampere, and through R4 and R5 is again 0.5 ampere. So let us, I'll try to explain once again. Let us see again. Here is the 10 volt battery. This is 3 ohm resistor, and let us say the I1 current is passing through this, which will be through the same circuit also. So here it is, R2 is 4 ohm, and the current through this is I2. This is the 8 ohm resistance, that is R3, and current through it is I3. And similarly through R4 and R5, the current is I4. These points are A and B. So first of all, we see that this R4 and R5 are in series. So we can find out the R series as this plus this, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8 ohm. And the equivalent circuit will become like this, because this is R series, this is R3, and this is R2. And these three all are in parallel. So R2, R3 and R series are in parallel. Therefore 1 by Rp will be equal to 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R series. So that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus again 1 by 8. The LCM is 8. This will be 2 plus 1, that is 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. And making the reciprocal, Rp will be equal to 2 ohm. And now equivalent circuit will become this. And this Rp and R1 are in series. So net equivalence resistance will become, the first part answer is equivalent resistance is 5 ohm. R equivalent is 5 ohm. Now this current through this will be I, that is equal to I1. So that I1 will be equal to total voltage V divided by total resistance 5, that is 2 ampere. Now to find out the current through these, because current through R1 is 2 ampere, already known, because this current is same. Now the current, to find out the current through these resistors, we need the potential difference across them, that is A and B point. So the potential across A and B plus across R1 will be equal to 10. Therefore VAB will be equal to 10 minus V1, that is 10 minus I1 R1, that is 10 minus 2 into 3, that is 4 volt. So now the current through this will be V divided by R. So VAB divided by R2, that will be I2, and this will be 4 by 4, that is 1 ampere. Then I3 will become VAB divided by R3. VAB divided by R3, that is 4 by 8, that is 0.5 ampere. And through these two will be the same as they are in series. So this will be I4 and I5 is same. That is VAB divided by R series, that is 4 by 8, that is 0.5 ampere. And this we can check for your whether you have committed any mistake. You can check it. This way is this. So the final answer is R equivalent is 5 ohm, and the current through each resistor, that R1 through R1 it is 2 ampere, through R2 it is 1 ampere, through R3 it is 0.5 ampere, and through R4 and R5 is 0.5 ampere.